You can't
Hi
work.
guys, I'm actually uploading the video in regards to the iPhone. Um, I have got the sound problem. Um, like when you press the ringer, it will come up like there is a problem. Like the ringer thing comes up, and there's no sound. Like I can actually hear someone's calling me, and even I can hear the ringtones as well, but I can't hear like sound on YouTube or if I'm playing any games or anything. So I found a solution. Actually, I went to the first. I went to Apple. I wanted to share this experience with you guys. I went to the iPhone, and they said like I had the phone for 14 months, so the warranty is finished. So I can't. If I need to, they will give me the replacement, but I need to give £139, and which of course I don't want to pay £139. So I came and I'm just searching, I'm looking here and there, and then I discover something which fixed my problem. What you need to do is, if you can look close to the camera, next to the headphone place, there's a little hole. Can you see? Get a little needle and just put the needle in, and it will clean, like, whatever is in there, it just gets cleaned. Either it'll go down or come out or something, and that will fix your problem. So it was quite simple if you think about it. £140, and this problem, I'm so happy and so, like, I'm so glad. Like, our phone is fixed now. It's my phone. Um, it's all okay. I was suffering this for like 3 days, where I'm searching web, and like some people are saying do this, do that. Some people are saying use alcohol wipes, this and that. Please don't use anything. Just get a little needle, put it in, just clean it, uh, just a little hole, and that's it. That will fix your problem. I hope that will help, and thank you.